Hello everyone, welcome to Grammar Tutorial. With the recent release of the Unreal Engine, the game animation sample project received a significant update, introducing characters controlled by the new mover component. Since there is much documentation on mover yet, I've been diving into the example projects to see how it works. Today I'm going to show you how to implement a double jump feature using the mover system. First, let's open our sandbox character mover blueprint. We'll start by creating a new custom event and naming it double jump. Next, drag the character mover component into the graph. From here, we need to call the Q layered movie node. From the layered move pin, drag out to search the make layered movie multi-jump. Inside this node, set the maximum in air jumps to 1 and the upward speed to 500. In the mover system, we use this node to queue actions that will be executed in the subsequent frames. Now let's create another event called handle double jump input. We need to get the mover default input presim structure. Use a break node on it and hide all pin except is jump just preset. To ensure we are jumping while in the air, get the character mover component again and pull the is on ground state. We'll use and boolean node and a bridge. If the conditions are met, connect the true pin to our double jump event. Finally, let's open the onPre-simulate ticks function. This function is critical because it's used for final checks, preparations, or state updates before each simulation step of the player's movement or other modeler mode. Simply drag or handle double jump input event into this function. And that's it. You now have a working double jump using the new mover component in game animation sample project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine and game development content. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.